Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, we have an exciting episode for today because we have an unboxing and we are going to unbox beautiful bags from Gucci and couple of more stuff that I wanted to show you. I know guys, I have mentioned previously that I would be putting myself on Ban Island, but I have some story to tell you and I would like to share it to everyone here. That is why I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Soaking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramirified2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so guys, before we start the unboxing for bags, let me share you a couple of things that I purchased over the weekend. So the very first one, I got an earring from Zara. So here she is. There. So it's a gold earring. So again, I purchased this one from Zara. I haven't actually purchased an accessory from Zara in a while, and I haven't visited their store for a couple of years as well. So when we have checked out their stuff, so as you have noticed, I wasn't wearing any earring because I wanted to try this out here. I wasn't the one who saw this one. It was my partner Yen. So he saw this one and showed it to me, and of course instantly I gravitated to this earring and I immediately said yes, because you know me guys, if you have been watching me here and following me on Instagram, I want anything loud, I want anything statementy, and this screams my name, this very beautiful earrings over here. So if I could just put my face a little bit closer, it actually reminds me either of a vintage Chanel earrings or the new Schiaparelli accessories right now. That's why I immediately said yes. The con of this earring though, yes, it's very beautiful and it looks handmade and very artisanal. It's very heavy guys, so it's not a clip-on, so you need to have piercing for your ear. And of course I wanted to wear it on both ears because I want to, you know, make it my own and put it on my edgy style. So what do you think of my very first earring guys? Would you say yes to a very statementy earrings like this, or would you pass? The next item that I would like to show you guys, this one guys, I was so surprised. I wasn't aware that they have a collaboration with J.W. Anderson. So I'm sure everyone is familiar that J.W. Anderson is the artistic or creative director of Loewe, and he also has his luxury brand out in the market. And this one guys, we have visited Uniqlo here, the flagship store in the Philippines over the weekend, and we saw that J.W. Anderson actually has a collaboration with Uniqlo, and I was so surprised. So I tried a couple of things. I could find more photo guys of their collaboration. I'm going to put it here and maybe also put it on the description box below. So here it is. So I purchased J.W. Anderson button down shirt. So what I love here guys, as you are going to notice, of course you are going to notice that it has logo over here, J.W. Anderson and Uniqlo. And it's a button-down shirt here. If I could put some mod shots, then I'm going to do so. So it's very, you know, just plain blue shirt. And at the bottom part, it has embroidery of J.W. Anderson here. And this is the back. So I could wear this one on very casual event. I could even layer it with, you know, like for example, I'm wearing like a bodysuit and I'm going to put this over the on top. What do you think of the new J.W. Anderson x Uniqlo collaboration? Again, I'm going to put it on the description box below. Alright, so guys, now for the main topic, the main unboxing for our episode for today. But before I share you the new bags that we got, I would just like also to share a little bit of story time. So as mentioned previously, I told everyone here that I would be putting myself on Ban Island because I'm trying to save up for a travel that we're planning next year, and of course I wanted to make sure that only the bags I would be adding to my collection would be the bags that would be on my wish list, because of course I don't want just to purchase anything, add it, then of course I would be happy for a couple of months, weeks, then I would try to sell it. So what happened was, almost broke out the Ban Island, guys. So we got invited to a very private VIP shopping party. We could purchase brand new bags, different luxury brands. So we have Gucci, we have Bottega, we have YSL, we have Alexander McQueen, and many more. So of course, guys, we couldn't say no to a private VIP shopping party, and also knowing that maybe some of those items would be on sale. So of course, we have to go. Honestly, I wasn't planning to purchase anything. So when we went to the event, again guys, this is a very private VIP shopping party. That's why unfortunately I could not show you any photos, I could not share you any videos, and I could not say the name who invited us, because again, I would want to be invited in these kinds of event in the near future. But I could assure you guys, this is legit, this is the real deal. They are only selling authentic 100% brand new luxury bags. So we went there. So of course, everyone's acting a little bit crazy because of course it's a shopping party. So I was checking out the bag. So as mentioned, there were all those luxury brands. It's not the current season, so of course the bags and shoes and accessories that we are going to see are past seasons, which I am totally okay with. So I told myself, open to purchasing something just as long as I would see something that I really love and I feel that would be perfect on my collection. So I almost purchased something, guys, which is it's a Gucci Marmont top handle red with the metallasi, or with their signature Gucci quilting. I'm going to put some photos here for reference. So I was holding this. So initially they have a mini size, but of course I told myself, no, I don't need a mini bag, although it's very beautiful and very cute. So the manager told me that they have a medium size, and I waited for a couple of minutes and they pulled out on their stock an exact bag of this one, but in medium size. So they brought out a couple of bags of the same style. So I was looking at it, I was staring at it for, actually guys, for a good number of minutes, maybe 20 to 30 minutes. I was walking around the shop just holding this bag. Of course, I don't want to let go. Guys, are you familiar, like for example, that scene at Confessions of a Shopaholic where there is a sample sale and everyone was so crazy? So the atmosphere felt like that. So I don't want to let go of this bag, like put it on the table because somebody might pick this up. So I was holding it, I was trying it on, I was giving it to Yen, I was telling him, could you try it on because I want to see it. And then of course, guys, at the end of the shopping party, you know what? I felt so successful because I did not purchase this bag. So I feel so relieved, to be honest, because I was thinking to myself, that bag is not quite myself. And to be honest, I feel that the Gucci Marmont top handle style, I felt that this is a little bit dated and this is not like what Gucci is currently promoting now. And I feel that yes, I may be happy with this bag for a couple of maybe weeks, months, then I feel in the long run she may not be staying on my collection. So I held up strong, guys. Please congratulate me because I did not purchase anything from the VIP private event sale. But then again, I would like to thank my dear friends who invited me there. Don't worry, guys, we purchased something. So Yen purchased a couple of bags. That's what I would be sharing to you. I asked his permission if I could unbox a couple of bags from his purchase, and he said yes, and I would love to share it to you guys. Alright, so for the very first bag that I wanted to share to you guys is inside this very beautiful Gucci dust bag. So just very generic white satiny Gucci dust bag. Are you ready? Do you have any guesses, guys? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! So here she is. So technically, guys, I don't know what the name of this very beautiful Gucci tote bag. As you can see, the print of this one, so as mentioned earlier, what they were selling are past season, and this is what they also have. And actually, he said yes. I almost also said yes to this, but I told myself, since he is getting this one, then maybe I could just borrow this one. And I told him, yes, definitely you would need to get this because of course, number one, it's on sale, and number two, it is trending right now. Of course, it's very reminiscent with Chanel 22. So here is the front, guys. It comes with a top handle. So this, what I love about this one, everything is made of 100% calfskin leather, and it has this printed Gucci logo here in front. So oh wow, I didn't notice, guys, that the color of the leather, the material, is almost the same color, fluorescent pink, that I'm wearing right now. So again, guys, this top I've made and designed this one from my brand Mason Ramiro. So the back also is, with the entirety, is pink, and then there is a, oh, this one here, the black leather part and the top handle. This black leather part is softer compared to this one because it has a drawstring bag, guys, because technically you could close it like this and wear it as a backpack like this. So let me wear it for you. Ooh. So you could just imagine, so you could carry it like this, or you could carry it as a backpack. That's why I told Yen that this would be a great bag for travel, definitely, and a great bag that we could bring, like for example, anywhere we're going. So here's the inside. Let me just remove this. Ooh, this is so cute, guys. So it comes with a free pouch. That is so nice. It is so generous. Let me just check this one out. Okay, so inside this one, it has the Gucci tags over here, the authenticity number, and all that stuff. So this is a pochette. So again, same leather material here. I love its grained leather. I love a good leather wherein it doesn't have heavy finish like this one. You can really feel the texture of the leather. And of course, this pouch here is just attached, as you can see at the back. It's non-detachable compared to the other pouches that we are seeing on the market right now, but that is still good because inside, guys, there is no pocket. Can you see? So there is no pocket, there is no slip pocket, there is no zippered pocket. So this would be your actual pocket that you could use inside. So this is bag number 1. What do you think of this one? So the strap here, so this is a fabric or canvas string or strap that, again, you can tie. And I'm pretty sure this one, compared to the Chanel 22, we won't have any issues. Like for example, the leather breaking, and as mentioned earlier, this one, it's more of like a grain texture calfskin leather, and this one is smoother. It's like even comparable maybe to lambskin or Napa because it's very soft. And here she is on the inside with the logo there. So this is bag number 1. What do you think of this one? Very, very cute, right? Alright, so for bag number 2, so let me just get the dust bag as well. So guys, I just removed it from the very big paper bag here. It's so huge, guys, so I have to remove everything. So here is bag number 2, still on inside this very beautiful silky cottony dust bag. Any guesses, guys? Are you ready? So this one, guys, I super love this one. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Chanan! Oh my god! Oh wow! I know this is not my bag, guys, but this is also another option that I really wanted to purchase when I was inside. So she has a strap. I'll get it later. So let me just show you first. So this is I'm not, again, guys, I am not a Gucci connoisseur. So this is actually what I really love about this one. This is an actual runway piece from Alessandro Michele. I'm not really sure of the season, but if I could find out, guys, I'm going to put it on the description box, and also the name of this bag. And guys, of all the things that we have unboxed for today, I'm going to find the links where you could get it, maybe if not brand new, from the pre-love market, just in case you're interested. Then go ahead, just check out those links. So this one, guys, this is an actual ball. So if you could see, if I'm going to put it right beside my face, so that's the size of this one. It's not a huge one, but it's all 100% genuine leather. I love the color. Then you're going to notice that the hardware is in the antique gold hardware. This is the double G logo. Super nice. So that is the front. This is the back. It comes with 2 top handles over here. Then of course, the bottom part. So let me just open. Just look at how gorgeous the zippers are. right? So you are going to notice, so it actually comes with the price tag, but I don't want to show it to you guys anymore. So here it is. So inside it's tough, right? Yeah, there's so many things inside. I just don't want to open it anymore. Would you like me to remove it, guys? Okay, let me remove it for you. Okay, so inside, I have all the cards here, all the necessary paperwork, and here is how it looks like inside, guys. So this is actually the first side that I'm also seeing. So apparently, there are no pockets wherein there are no slip pockets, there are no zipper pockets. So it's just one huge space inside. We haven't actually tried our phone. Let me just close this one moment. It comes with a strap, so generously they provided us with another dust bag with a strap. So here is the strap, guys. Is it adjustable? Yes, it's adjustable. So as you're going to notice, here is the clamp. There, it's engraved with Gucci. Just clamp it like this. Then of course it's adjustable. Wow, so generous. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Lucky 13 holes wherein you could adjust. So like for example, of course, let me just try to attach it, guys. One moment. Do mod shots, guys. I'm going to just add it here as well. So I have attached it, and of course you could wear it as a crossbody bag, as a shoulder bag, but I think this one, it's very beautiful to carry on its own as a top handle bag. And it's very different, guys. Like, it's not like your usual Gucci like bags that you're seeing on the market right now. So the reason why Yen and I fell in love with this one, so technically I was supposed to purchase this one, but since he said that he really loves this one, so I let him purchase this one. And I was just thinking maybe I could just borrow it one of these days. Plus, I think with the size of this one, this is a little bit small. I'm not really sure if it would fit my lifestyle. Yes, it's very cute, it's very unique, but for me, I would want a bigger bag. That's why I let him purchase this one. But for example, as an evening bag, as a party bag, definitely this would be perfect. So the size, since I've checked this one, definitely you could put a lot. I'm thinking you could put in your phone. So like for example, you have the bigger phones, then just don't close the zipper. My phone is charging, guys, so I can get my phone. But like for example, if you want to put in your phone, just put it in the center, then just don't close the zipper all the way through, so you could put it inside the phone. But definitely you could put your card holders, your credit cards, or Louis Vuitton, keyclay, your toiletries, lipstick, lip gloss, everything, your tissue, everything would fit here, because again, it's a very good size bag. It's very unique. And if given a chance, if for example, I was thinking to myself, if Yen would not purchase this one, then definitely I may say there's a good chance that I may say yes to this very beautiful Gucci basketball bag. What do you think of this one, guys? Would you say no to this kind of Gucci bag, which is very unique, very, very special? There, did you enjoy our unboxing episode for today, guys? So among the pieces that I have shown you for today, so my earrings, my JW Anderson button-down shirt, the 2 Gucci bags, do you have any favorites among them or not? I would love to hear from you, so kindly comment down below. Before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing founders. You get the little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Premier52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from a million. Thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!